Hey there, this is Neil Napier and welcome to the Socibot demo. Along with Robert Emmy, I would like to present to you exactly what Socibot does and how it creates automated social traffic and sales for you all on social media without you doing anything manually. Now, using this software, you can find your potential customers, exploit your sales, increase your website traffic, and increase your brand awareness as well on both Instagram and Facebook. With Socibot, you can discover leads who have engaged with your Instagram and Facebook organic posts and ads. It also allows you to recover leads that you have on your previous Instagram or Facebook posts. Plus, you can retarget them with promotional content on both Instagram and Facebook. Socibot essentially provides you 3 effective methods for you to succeed. Using this software, you will be able to run social contests to generate leads within a given timeline on your fan pages. You can sell products, you can capture leads, you can drive traffic to wherever you want. So let's go through each and every feature. The big feature within Socibot is the ability to run social contests. Doing so will allow you to harness the power of your fan pages and Instagram account to generate raving fans and new leads all the time. First, you can go into Facebook and then click on social contests, where you can then create a new contest. Creating a contest is easy. You can design and set it up. This is one of our contests, and this is what it looks like inside of Facebook. So people have to comment #HB theme to win exclusive health and beauty WordPress theme worth $69. And when they do, here's what happens. Our fan page automatically communicates with them, giving them an offer that they can claim. So this is just like a simple message from a fan page to a prospect. When people click on claim offer, you can then either give them the offer right away, or you can ask them to fill a survey or a quiz that will help you better understand your audience. Using this, you will be able to essentially get useful data from your audience and know exactly what is it that they like and things that they don't like, which is something you can use in your marketing further down the line. And now, of course, you have this person as a lead, and you can communicate with them via your fan page as well with complete automation using Socibot. So as you can see, running this kind of contest in the backend allows you to generate leads on autopilot and engage them as well with pre-selected workflows. Then the same principle applies on Instagram as well. You can run social contests on Instagram as well, and as soon as someone comments, for example in this case, they can win exclusive health and beauty WordPress theme worth $69, just like before. And let me show you this. When someone comments, you can automatically reply to them with a previously built message, and then they can keep on engaging. They can type 1 to preview, on 2 to download, and they can get further messages from you as well right within their accounts. This way you're able to collect more leads in your Instagram account as well, and you can communicate with them further using the power of Socibot. Social contests such as this will allow you to not just collect new leads, but also make sales by presenting the right kind of offers to the right kind of audience. And remember, the more comments, more messages you get, the more viral your posts go as well. This is really easy to use, and as you can see, it's quite easy for your audience to use as well. Then the next thing is the ability to recover all leads. Now, I know a lot of people who already have fan pages or Instagram accounts. They say, Neil, we want to retrieve our leads from there as well. Is that actually possible? Well, my business partner, Robert Emmy, actually made it possible. So in this case, we're going to discover leads from this particular post that we made, where we had 3 likes and 34 comments. So you can see what the post actually looks like, the 3 likes and quite a few comments. And of course, some of them are responses to the comments as well. So let's go back to Socibot. And now, if you want to create a list from these commenters or likers, what you can do is you can import contacts which have liked the post. So you choose how many contacts you want to import, start import, and you'd be able to import all the contacts that have liked the post. That's 3. Then you can also import contacts based on those that have commented. So when we do that, as you can see, we start the import, straightforward process, takes a few seconds, and now we have total 18 contacts that we can now message and communicate with in Instagram. The next big feature of Socibot is the ability to run your Instagram posts as stories. So when you make an Instagram post, it helps to boost it as a story. Typically you would have to do this manually, but using Socibot, you can automate this. You don't have to do it from your phone. You can automate it, and you can add targeted keywords to these stories as well. So you can search for popular hashtags using our tool, and then you can copy the ones that you would like to use, and you can paste them on the top left, as we'll do very soon. And now you're able to run your Instagram posts as stories as well. And remember, stories, just like they do on Facebook, get different kind of visibility as well, and whatever visibility you can get on your content is good. So click on create story, and as you can see, we're done. Then you can check it out. This exactly is what your story looks like. And of course, if people want to, they can click and see the actual post associated with this story as well. So as you can tell, one of the really cool features here is the ability to maximize your content to get you more eyeballs and more traffic through whatever it is you're doing. Then another cool feature within Socibot is the ability to discover and automate. Now here's exactly what I mean. If you go to the discover module, you'll see that we have some posts that we have made on our fan page, and what you can do with that is you can scan all those posts and you can figure out exactly what kind of engagement these posts are getting. So I'm going to scan page, and as you'll see, this is one of the posts that we found. Then you can edit automations within this, and you can change the responses that you give to people based on what they comment. So if they comment fact 1, you can give them a different response. If they comment something else, you can give them a different response. So if you're running a survey kind of post, you can target people and give them the kind of messages that are more relevant to them. And based on what they type, you will be able to give them a response that's perfectly targeted to them. And as you can see, it can happen within 10 seconds. The next feature is the ability to segment and direct message leads. Now this can work in both Instagram and Facebook. So let's go ahead and check out our audience for this particular post. You can see these are audiences. We can also create lists out of these audiences. So in this case, we're going to select all of them and create a new list. So this could be, for example, contest participant lists from Instagram. And you can now message them using Socibot right from within Instagram. So if you go to send messages, you can see that we have a message builder right over here. You can click on create new, and you can select the list you want to message. And then when you do, you will be able to reach out to them. Then another cool feature is the ability to leverage groups inside of Socibot. Socibot allows you to search for top rated or regular groups inside of Facebook based on niches. So you select the niche that you want to target, and it brings out all the groups that you can join, both private and public. You can check out the group and you can join that group. And when you do so, you can also publish your giveaway in there, your contest. Now, before you do, I do recommend to proceed cautiously and not spam the group to death. Offer value, make sure that you're also encouraging people to leave some value behind for that particular group as well. But when you do so, you'll be able to get more and more visitors back to your page using Socibot. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us via support desk.